mountain eye. I thought holy, but it's holy. So apparently there's a hole in this mountain that looks like an eye. Can't wait to look. Outside's really beautiful. Lots of good colors. Sun-kissed land. So we've parked our car here in the middle of nowhere, and we're all walking on this stone gravelly path towards the mountain. You see a lot of buffaloes out here. They really blend in. They look like rocks. Look. Oh wow. Oh, this is amazing. Oh my goodness, yes, I see the hole. Oh wow. There's so many campsites. So this place would be amazing in the summer. So you can actually stay during the winter, which is now. Apparently they have hot lamps and things like that, so you'll be okay. But still, God's creation and nature's wonder. How amazing is that? Valley of the Giants. So it's called Mountain Angel Eye. There you go. Resort, and you have to get a ticket. It's $30,000 per person, which is about $1.50.
And I'm free.
Yeah, free for kids. Free for kids.
That's incredible because it's free for kids. And we're here to visit the lake, so we're gonna look around the lake to see what they have in the lake. As you can see right here, this is the lake. You want to have a look at it?
So the water level is really low. Apparently
It's
it
kind
has
of
30,
shallow.
36, 38. 36 distributors of water to come through the lake. But as you can see, it's dry season. The water level is really low. So there's a cave here. We're gonna go check out the cave. Dong Ham Hung.
Wow.
Hung Hung. Okay, with this. As usual, I'm always skeptical about caves, but wow. It is all beautifully lit and you can see everything in its absolute majestic wonder. My. Oh, look at this one. This is the one we saw just now. Love when they use the colored lines. It actually brings out a different kind of beauty through the... Oh wow, look at all the way there. Oh my goodness. I think... And that looks like a dressing room, you're right. I love it. Look at that.
It's so cool.
It's like if you want to know where chandeliers were, like, you know, thought of. I think they were inspired from caves. Look at it. It's so beautiful. And this is like a little roundabout that goes around. Wow, it's really stunning. I
It's
love
like a
it.
dressing room only.
There's so much less scarier when you have proper light and you can appreciate their beauty calmly without feeling so closed in. But amazing. Looks like a whole bunch of jellyfish tentacles to me. Yesterday we saw something like this, kind of looked like the lotus, right? They call it the lotus stalagmite. I just love the way to see how they connect, the stalagmites to the stalagmites. These things are like 100 millions of years old. Imagine the people who have actually walked through here and seen these things, and if only these things could tell us a story.
Yeah.
They would make for magnificent stories. It's such a small cave, but you see so much, so it's totally worth it to come by and take a look at this cave.